Want to learn how you can increase your Shopify sales overnight? Then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now in today's video, I'm going to specifically help you increase your sales for your Shopify business literally in the next 24 hours by using this 5 simple selling techniques that you can instantly use for your dropshipping business. Now, before I get into this, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Now, when it comes to selling physical products online, it is super important that you start getting traffic by advertising on Facebook, Google, and TikTok. However, oftentimes a lot of people is able to generate traffic, but they are unable to increase their sales or let alone generate any sales from their traffic. And the main reason is because on your product page, which essentially is your landing page that you are using for your ads, they are not created for optimal performance, and there are specific things that you would need on your product page inside Shopify in order for you to actually generate the most sales from your traffic effort. And like I said, in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 selling strategies that you can instantly use inside your Shopify store to increase your sales in the next 24 hours. So without waiting further ado, let's dive right in. Selling strategy number 1 is the fact that you want to give your products a sexy name. Listen, oftentimes when I review my student store or other people's Shopify store, it baffles me that they simply are not creative when it comes to naming their product. Let's say that if you are selling this money gun, people just call it the money gun. But in reality, everyone else can actually call this the money gun. What you wanted to do is simply give it a sexy name. Call it the Rainmaker, right? Now, when you call it the Rainmaker, you don't just want to call it the Rainmaker. What you wanted to do is to actually split up your product title into 2 parts. After all, you want to use your product title as a selling tool. So first, you give it a name. You call it the money gun in this example. Then afterwards, you want to have a highlights of the key benefit of your product. So let's use the money gun as an example. I'm going to say the Rainmaker, a super handy, golden looking money gun, right? Something along the lines of that. That's not going to be the best copy, but I hope you get the point. So what you wanted to do is to combine both a sexy name and the key benefit of your product into your product title. After all, this is the first thing that people will see when they land on your product page, especially when you are advertising. So when it comes to online business, or when we talked about the fundamentals of internet marketing 101, your headline, in this case, which is the product title, is the most important part that really sets the tone for your entire landing page and also capture the visitor's attention. So you want to actually, again, give your product a sexy name, followed by the key benefit of your product. Now, selling strategy number 2 is the fact that your product description must follow what we call the AIDA formula, which stands for attention, interest, desire, action. Again, it baffles me that a lot of Shopify stores, especially dropshippers, they just simply copy and paste whatever they find from their vendor's website, listing all the boring specifications and features. You know what? People won't buy because it looks like it is coming from a dictionary. What you wanted to do is to actually craft your product description in a way where it follows the AIDA formula, where first you grab their attention by making them want to actually read more about your product, then followed by the interest to make them interested in your product, followed by the desire, which makes them really want to get the product, followed by the action, which tell them specifically what they need to do when it comes to simply buying your product. And after all, it is super important that specifications and feature never sell. You want to sell based on emotion and benefits of your product. Now, selling strategy number 3 is the fact that you need security badges. Now, what are these security badges? These are simply icons that just reinforce and give confidence to your visitors to pull out their credit card to buy from you. These things can be a money-back guarantee logo, it can be simply easy return, free shipping, 100% satisfaction guarantee, best pricing guarantee, etc., etc., etc. These are supporting information that's going to actually make the person really want it because they feel that they are protected with their order. And all you really need to do is simply just add that logo right in. Now, selling strategy number 4 is the fact that you want to import reviews from your vendors. Your vendors oftentimes will have reviews from their customers about your product that you are dropshipping. Make sure that you actually import these reviews right into your product page, because nowadays people buy based on social proof and they want to actually see what others are saying about your product. After all, it's actually more powerful to actually have a third party or a third person to sell on your behalf rather you are selling. So make sure that you import reviews from your vendors. Now, the last piece is super golden, especially if you are selling products that solve a problem. Selling technique number 5 is called using GIFs or GIFs. I can never pronounce this properly. It's called GIF. That's what it is, GIF. With GIF, at the end of the day, a lot of people, when they scroll through your product page, they don't like playing videos. A lot of people actually have their phone on silent. So when they actually play the video, it takes them more time. However, if you have a GIF to actually showcase a snippet of a couple seconds of what your product can do right in your product description, as people are scrolling through, they see motion and see what the product can do, it actually makes them really want to buy. So at the end of the day, these are the top 5 selling techniques that you can actually start applying right into your Shopify store. And I'm more than confident enough to say that you will increase your sales in the next 24 hours by simply doing so. Now, at the end of the day, if you are brand new and want some help to create your dropshipping business to profit online, right in the video description right down below, I have a 21-day e-com challenge for you where my team and I are going to spend the next 21 days to help you build your very own dropshipping store, even if you're a total beginner, to actually start generating sales online and make money, even if you've never done so before. The link is in the video description right down below. Now, for those of you that already have a dropshipping Shopify business, make sure that you implement these 5 techniques because once again, these are very easy to implement and they can definitely increase your sales overnight. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Till next time.